What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. I just want to say I hope everyone's okay, everyone's safe and sound, everyone's doing all right due to everything going on in the real world today. It definitely is crazy, but guys, we obviously got to talk about some stuff. It's not gonna be a lot. I don't want to take up most of everyone's day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get right to it. It should be only like 2 different topics. Let me get my notes real quick. Let's see here. All right. So, coronavirus. Obviously, it's a big deal. Before we get it started, I just want to give out a disclaimer that out of this entire video, I am not implying and I don't want to give the wrong idea to anybody, telling them to not take this virus seriously. This is definitely a serious thing, and I'm taking it seriously myself. That's why we're here today. But at the same time, I feel like everyone's overreacting through social media, not individual person. So what that means is that I feel like with the development of social media in today's world, it definitely is getting kind of out of hand when it comes up to being over dramatic and talking about it and explaining what it could do, explaining all the negative, and yet there's hardly any positivity about it. Well, that's what we're talking about today, and especially in the topic that everybody wants to hear if you watch this channel. But let's go on our first topic. Number 1, how does coronavirus affect the car community? Well, that's the thing. If you guys haven't heard, pretty much every restaurant here in the United States is pretty much shut down. So let me just explain something real quick. I am located in the Dallas, Texas, USA area, and I do know that Dallas is one of the biggest cities here in Texas, so most of the restaurants here are closed down. Does that apply to anything else? Yes, it does, because they shut down gyms, they've shut down pretty much any place where 10 or 20 people or more can gather, and they're not letting people do that. So what that means is that our drag strip's still open. No, they're not. Extreme Raceway, Texas Motorplex, even Texas Motor Speedway, all those places have been shut down, unfortunately. Even a simple local car meet down the street in a parking lot, even those events have been canceled or postponed for a while. So there's not really much we can do. All I'm saying to you guys is that if you are a car person just like I am and you work on cars, guys, please stay clean. Wash your hands, wash your face or whatnot. I mean, it's not much of a big deal in general, but you definitely can make a difference if you just stay as clean as possible, even if you're just changing headlights on a car. I mean, every car person knows this. I mean, you work on a car, you get dirty every time you work on even the smallest little things. Just stay safe out there. Second topic is, how will this affect the Super 7 YouTube channel? Now, here's the deal with that. Due to the drag strips and car meets have been shut down, it's really hard to make content. I'd say that's the number one thing that affects the channel, is that content is definitely going to be stretched. It's going to be stretched and limited big time. So I would definitely say that any kind of content that I'm going to try to make after today's point would probably be making maybe some driving videos, maybe some upgrades or how-to videos on the truck. I'm going to do the best I can, because most of the car stuff going on in today's world outside, it's all postponed. There's not really much you can do. I will try my best to find some meets, perhaps. I think Buc-ee's is still making some meets. I'm not sure. There might be some cars and coffee or whatnot still going on, but it just depends. I mean, in large public groups like that, what's going on right now, it's not really a good idea. Now, I went blank for a sec. As far as content going on right now, I do have a lot of videos in the queue, but the reason why I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, I mean, I think it's been like, what, 2 weeks since I posted a vid. The reason why, guys, is because my priorities have shifted due to this situation going on in the world right now. I personally have to take care of myself and I have to take care of my immediate family because it has affected us in a little bit of a way. But I'm just gonna disclaim something. A lot of people have losing their jobs because of this, and it has affected me a little bit, not by losing any kind of job or whatnot, but to the point where I do need to make sure that me and everyone else is still taken care of. And just gotta shift the priorities. The channel content is gonna have to be limited for now, but that does not include the Cletus demo series. That's a whole different story, and if you guys want information on that, well, here you go. I'm just gonna be real with you. Something messed up with the footage. I don't know why. I just know that it's not compatible with my editing software. So what I may have to do is get a different kind of editing software, perhaps. I'm open to suggestions if anybody has anything particular that's good, but I am trying my very best to get these Cletus videos out, because I know you want to see Zombie Kill 2.0 rip it at Houston Motorsports Speedway, and it's been, what, almost a month since the Cletus and Cars we went to, and I still don't have the video out, and which really sucks. Really sucks because I can't get the other videos out of building the car and then getting ready to make the actual one. It just having some technical problems. So without further ado, until I can fix that, whatever content I have made in the past week or two is coming out next. And whatever content I can make now from this day forward is what's going to be coming out. Cletus series will definitely be a work in progress, and I'll do my very best to get that footage out so you guys can see. So that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else to say about this. This is definitely insane. It's definitely crazy how everything is going on in today's world, but I just want to check up on you guys, and I know you guys wanted to check up on me and see what was going on, because I got a few messages on Instagram. I guess I will go ahead and answer another question. Will I still be going out and trying to make content for the channel? Absolutely. I'm going to do my very best to do that, but I can't do that when financial priorities have to go towards somewhere else, and there's not really any car events going on out there to get footage of to cover that content. It's a rough time right now, because McQueen's pretty much the only thing I got for the channel right now. So with that being said, stay safe, stay clean, wash your hands, wash your face, take showers. The little things is what's going to make a difference to beat this virus and make sure everyone's good. But just to let you guys know, we are still going to make content. We're still going to do our best on that. If you guys don't have me on Instagram, check me out on Instagram. We're at Super7 on Instagram. It's literally the channel name. So look that up. You should find it, no problem. My recent post is a sneak peek of the next video coming out. And yep, we'll go from there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the talk. I hope, once again, everybody stays safe. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.